Alright, these Bose Quiet Comfort noise canceling headphones, to me, they're the bee's knees. They work great. I'm going to stop talking. These are Bose Quiet Comfort headphones, noise canceling. I love them. They're great for the tractor. The problem with these things is they don't stand up to hard work. You know, you take them out baling hay, get a little bit of rain on them, and the ear cushions start falling off. This is the second pair that I've owned. And there's nothing more frustrating than being outside baling hay. You got hours more to go and you can't listen to your favorite Celine Dion songs. Anyhow, Mama found this replacement ear cushion kit online somewhere on the interwebs. It's made by Bose, or at least Bose? Either way, it's got their logo on the little packing slip. But it was pretty easy to put on, and it seems like it worked fine, so check it out. I don't know about on yours, but when I pulled this thing off, there was a ring that was supposed to be attached to it that stayed on the headphones, and you have to kind of take a knife and pry it out.
battery 100%. Connected to ESK.